All right, sir, sorry about the delay. Here's the video. 2019 Chieftain, 33,838, I believe, on the miles is what it's sitting at right now. Yep, 31,838. It is stock exhaust, so it's not going to be too loud. You'll be able to hear your radio just fine. Does have the LED with the halo on the front. It's got the LED upgraded tail lights and in between the bags as well. Got a little nick right there, included in the pictures. Got a small scratch on the other saddlebag. Got some little where they torque the bolts down too tight. Doesn't really affect the windshield though. It is a Clockworks. And you got a couple small scratches there on the fender and the chrome. This trim ring can be replaced. If you have any questions, give me a call, 817-676-6179, or at Fort Worth, Indian at 817-916-5500, extension 5508. Thank you, sir.